All right, so let's start talking about how to use all those 5 methods that we talked about in the previous podcast. All right, so here's a question. It says, express the domain and range in terms of words and in terms of a list. Now, one of the things that I want you to remember is that domain means the X values. Range means the Y values. That's as simple as I can put it. So let's look at all the domains here. So domain is -1, 0, 1, and 2. Those are all of the domain values. So you can say, all right, we're going to just say in A, we're going to have the integers, this is in words, the integers from -1 to 2. Because if you think about it, the integers from -1 to 2 include -1, 0, 1, and 2. And you might want to say inclusive. And inclusive means that is to include -1 and 2. Now, let's look at the range now and use words. The range would be -2, 0, 2, and looks like 4. All right? So to do this, you would say, okay, the range is, and oh, I forgot to put domain down for this one, so let's put down domain here. Okay, so the range is, if you think about it, all the integers, right? Because we're talking integers, we're not talking decimals or fractions or any numbers in between. We're talking the integers from -2 to +4, which is up here, to +4 inclusive. And inclusive means, yes, including the -2 and the 4. So by definition of what an integer is, those are not numbers that are decimals or fractions, they're just negative and positive numbers. So that would be a really nice way of describing this using words. Okay, let's use a list. You'll like a list a lot better. A list means, okay, here's domain, give me a list of the integers. The list of the integers, or I should say the list of the X values are -1, 0, 1, and 2. Done. I think that's a lot simpler than even trying to describe it in words. Look at the range. The range is, okay, let me clean this up so we can see it. There they are, okay, is -2, which is that guy, 0, 2, and 4. And that would be the range using a list. You can even put that down in terms of a table of values if you want and say the domain and range. And look what we've got. -1, 0, 1, and 2. And the range, of course, is -2, 0, 2, and 4. And look how pretty that is. I mean, that's just really, really easy to do.